Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download RecoveryFoxAI safely and then recover deleted files using it, step by step. No virus, no unsafe sites. 100% safe, clean, and official download method only. And at the end of the video, I'll recover deleted photos and documents live, so make sure you watch until the end. I'll guide you through the download plus installation plus file recovery, all in one place. Step 1. Open RecoveryFoxAI official website. Open your browser and search for RecoveryFoxAI official download. Click on the official website link. Important: avoid third-party sites, modified installers, or unknown download pages. Only use the official download to keep your PC safe. Step 2. Download RecoveryFoxAI. Once the site opens, look for Download. Click the Download button. A small installer.exe file will start downloading automatically. Works on Windows 10 or Windows 11 64-bit. Step 3. Install RecoveryFoxAI. After the download completes, open the installer. Click Next. Accept the license agreement. Choose Installation folder. Click Install. It takes less than 1 minute. Once installed, open RecoveryFoxAI from the desktop icon. Step 4. File recovery. With RecoveryFoxAI, now let me show you live recovery so you understand how this software actually works. Photos, documents, videos, and much more. Now let's recover them. Open RecoveryFoxAI. Select the drive where files were deleted. Click Scan. RecoveryFoxAI will analyze your PC using AI-based deep recovery. Wait until the scan finishes. You will see your deleted files listed. Select the files you want back. Click on Recover. Choose a different folder to save them. Done. Files fully restored. If you want me to create deep scan tutorial, partition recovery guide, USB and SD card recovery tutorial, corrupted drive recovery, then comment RecoveryFoxAI guide below. I'll make a full video series for you. So don't forget to subscribe. That's it, guys. You've successfully learned how to download and recover deleted files using RecoveryFoxAI. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, comment what you want next, share with your friends, and subscribe for more recovery software tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.